tips nomor 5.
Nomor 5.
Dia agak malu tadi mau bicarainnya. Si Sylvia katanya kalau belajar bahasa Jerman dengan Tinder juga bisa. Hai teman-teman, sekarang lagi naik gunung di kecil. Sebenarnya udah gunung ya, tergantung di negara mana. Tapi kalau di Swiss ini gunung kecil dekat Baden. Mungkin kalian pernah lihat, aku pernah video Baden yang pertama. Jadi itu bentuk Baden, dan aku hari ini sama Sylvia, teman aku. Kalian masih ingat kan yang lucu itu? Ini dia.
Salam buat Indonesia. Was it okay?
I just wanted to. So how are you, Sylvia?
I'm fine, but
It's warm out today,
warm.
huh?
Heise.
Although today is already actually going to be autumn, but I think it's the last hot day. Kayaknya ini hari terakhir yang panas, ya kan?
Ja.
I think later we will try to learn some German basic words, because Sylvia is learning German, so she can help you guys. Dia bisa
You
nolong.
too, no?
Yeah, but this because I don't know how to start. You know how we need to start,
It's true.
right? I have no idea, like hi and so on. Okay, we continue up. Ini baru setengah jalan. Baru setengah jalan, hampir ke atas.
Hampir ke atas.
Wah, but you're so good. You're so good. Hebat sekali kau dia bahasa
Hampir ke atas.
Indonesia. Hebat amat. Aduh.
Was?
It's really good, your pronunciation.
It's just like bus number 5 and then all the way up.
Kita masih naik ke atas nih sekarang.
Naik ke atas nih.
Okay, that's good. Kita sekarang masih naik ke atas.
Ke atas.
Habis itu ada pemandangan dari atas, itu bisa lihat Alpsnya. You can see the Alps from there.
Yeah.
No, but we have to go that way. And di atas itu ada restoran, kita juga bisa minum air. Udah haus nih. Haus, no? Haus.
House.
You are haus. You're
I'm
thirsty.
House? Yes. House.
Haus. Ini castle-nya ya.
And I'm the princess of the castle.
You have to record me. The people want to see also me, not only you.
Oh, it's me.
No, they want to see me. They also want to see me, you see. Aku udah juga mulai keringatan nih. Udah panas dan keringatan juga. Nice. Ayo, Sylvia. Udah sampai.
Hey, we're here.
We're here.
Sampai.
But actually it goes further, but masih turun sedikit. Tapi di sini kita mau istirahat.
Tapi sini kita mau masak.
Mau istirahat di sana, minum kopi. Bagus ya tempatnya. Duduk situ bisa ada pemandangannya. Nanti aku rekam kok. Ayo sampai ke sana. Oke, aku udah balik. Tadi kalian, aduh kotor. Tunggu bentar. Tadi aku lupa kacamataku di bawah. Harus ke bawah, naik lagi. Aduh, keringatan sekarang. Dan ini minuman Swiss, Rivella. Seperti soda gitu ya. Manis, Coca-Cola kayak gitu. Tapi isinya like herbs, something like herbs.
This?
No, what you're drinking?
This is Wasser.
What? Wasser.
Wasser.
Ada terjemahannya sekarang. Kalian bisa belajar bahasa Jerman sama Sylvia.
German Wasser
Bahasa Jerman.
Bahasa Jerman?
dengan Sylvia.
Dengan Sylvia.
I think you should make your own channel. How to learn German with Sylvia. Ya kan? Everyone will like it. Oh, so hot. Okay. Now I want to enjoy here.
I want to make a picture for this person.
Ah ya. Coba lihat chat-chat si Sylvia. Oh banyak cewek, cakep, cowok juga. Ini tadi tempat kita makannya. Sorry, bukan makan minum. Ya kan? Castle. Kastil. Tadi duduk di belakang sana. Oke, kita terusin perjalanannya. Sekarang kita naik ke atas ini.
Hola. Vale. Oh.
It's just 5 minutes. Cuma 5 menit aja. Udah capek dia.
Really?
Go on.
How can I do this? Adrian. Yeah.
Look at this.
No, I'm not gonna do this. No. I wait for you. No.
Up there's a nice. It's the last 5 minutes.
I'm not gonna do this.
Come on, Sylvia.
I mean, it's not because it's 5 minutes. It's just
Vote.
look the way.
Vote. Should Sylvia
no,
go up or
not kill Sylvia. No.
not?
Have you seen that, guys? I mean, just you do it and I record. But
Okay, record me.
Ah.
It's fun. Just a bit.
because I guess it's difficult to do all this way with the camera, no, in your hand.
No, I can do this. I walk without my hands. Look. Without the hands. It's easy. It's like stairs. Seperti
Oi.
tangga, teman-teman. Now I can even do it fast. See? Sekarang cepat.
Oh fuck. And he disappeared. Will he come back or not? He left me here alone. He's asking me to go up, but I'm not going up.
Oke teman-teman, seperti aku udah bilang tadi, kita akan belajar bahasa Jerman dikit ya. Sylvia dia akan belajar bahasa Jerman di sini, jadi dia tahu cara utama-utamanya untuk belajar Jerman, bahasa Jerman. Jadi aku cuma mau tahu buat kalian tips-tips apa yang harus kalian pakai untuk bisa lancar bahasa Jermannya. So, first tip, maybe you understood. I told you we want to have like so the people understand like how to progress if they want to learn German by themselves. So what to do first?
I think the most important thing is not to be shy, because German is a really difficult and strong, I can say strong, right? Like
Hard
language, yeah, hard language. So just don't be shy of making mistakes or whatever. Just try, and it will start to come slowly.
Okay.
So don't be shy, first
Yeah.
of all.
Okay. Tips number
Second.
2.
Don't learn word by word. Just try to learn a sentence, because German is completely different. Like the structure of the sentence is different. So I think it's better if you just start reading and hearing and try to understand sentences. Short sentences, easy sentences, but not word by word.
And
Okay? Just
example?
I don't know. For example, heute mache ich ein Video mit Adrian.
Yeah, mit Adrian Blaster. Video sama Adrian Blaster. Yeah. Number 3.
It's really, really, really important to speak German, like to learn. So you have to make Swiss or German friends, like I did with Adrian.
Oh, pantasan cuman sama aku gara-gara aku bisa bahasa Jerman ya.
But we only speak in English, so he's useless for this. I need to find another German friend. I'm sure. But
True,
yeah.
true, we speak in English. Very
Why?
little
Warum?
German. Ja, warum, weiß ich auch nicht. Ist schwer, weil wir tiefere Themen haben und du nicht verstehst.
Ja,
dann.
ich weiß, aber wir müssen probieren.
Wir müssen probieren, ja? Wir müssen mehr probieren. Das ist richtig. Okay, Tipps nomor 4.
Empat.
4.
Empat.
4.
Empat.
Yes.
Tip number empat.
Very good.
Okay, with German you need to be constant. It means that you have to try to study a little bit every day, at least a little bit, but every day. Because, for example, me, I started only 3 hours per week, twice, 2 days, 3 hours in total, and it was not enough. I mean, it was really slow. But now I will study every day 3 hours, like in an intensive course. So I think with German it's really important to be constant and to every day try to save some time
Okay.
to study.
Uh,
It's really important because
that
it's really difficult language.
It is. Daripada pakai terjemahan, aku capek yang tips ini ya. Aku pakai bahasa Indonesia tips ini. Jadi belajarnya kata si Sylvia 90 menit nggak cukup, dan dia 2 kali seminggu dulu. Pokoknya nggak cukup untuk belajar bahasa Jerman. Dan yang penting setiap hari belajar dikit dan mungkin lebih banyak lagi, mungkin 5 jam seminggu ya. Itu kayaknya penting supaya bisa belajar bahasa Jerman karena susah banget. Tips nomor 5.
Number 5.
Dia agak malu tadi mau bicarainnya si Sylvia, katanya kalau belajar bahasa Jerman dengan Tinder juga bisa. Jadi kan pas ada match di Swiss kan dia jadi harus bahasa Jerman sama teman-teman yang di match di Tinder ya. Nggak usah malu.
Ya, malu. Tinder.
Ya kayaknya si Sylvia gitu ya, belajar Jermannya dengan Tinder match. Kalian yang di sana nggak bisa match sama Sylvia kan, dia lagi di Swiss, jadi kalian di Indonesia nggak bisa match untuk belajar bahasa Jerman sama Sylvia. Makanya follow Instagram Sylvia, yang lagi belajar bahasa Jerman tinggal tulis dia dengan bahasa Jerman ya, pasti dia akan jawab bahasa Jerman juga. Jadi kalian bisa belajar bahasa Jerman. Kalau yang belum bisa ya kayaknya the ones who cannot speak German, should I still write you?
Just use a translator.
Okay.
English is okay.
You use translator, okay?
I
Pakai
will be happy to
translator.
hear from you in German.
Iya, dia karena sekarang pakai intensive course, jadi ya kalau banyak orang yang nulis bahasa Jerman, jadi kan dia belajar juga, kalian juga. Oke, begitulah videonya, kayaknya cukup sama Sylvia yang matanya cantik, ya kan? Your eyes, want to show again close? Okay, then see you next time.
Yep.
Sampai jumpa lagi. Salam ke Indonesia. Salam ke Indonesia.
Salam ke Indonesia.
Ya, sampai jumpa lagi.
Salam pe yung kalami.
Sampai jumpa lagi.
Sampai yung that's difficult.
No. Sampai
Sampai
jumpa
jumpa
lagi.
lagi.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.